Hi guys, just tried this WD-40 Specialist Dry Lube with Ptfe for the first time, and there was quite some difference compared to the normal WD-40, so I wanted to share my experience with you. I think it's very important to know before you order that. Of course, it has quite some advantages, disadvantages regarding lubrication. I'm not going into every detail. I think the main thing is that the lubrication is called dry lubrication, so it doesn't collect as much dirt and dust as with a normal wet or oily lubrication. Maybe on the negative side, it's not capable to penetrate as easy as the normal WD-40 into hinges. It can also wear out with really heavy pressure, but I figured it could be a good thing for normal door hinges, and there is where I tried it. So I've used it like that. Of course, you can also point this down here, so you can use it directly with this spray here, or again, you point it up. You have to make sure that you match this hole here. Just lift it a little bit more up, something like that, and then it will spray like that. So you can point it very precisely. And so I used it on 2 doors, and it worked absolutely amazing to lubricate and remove this squeaking sound. But the big surprise for me was how it worked to apply, because actually it says dry lube, and so I expected when I pointed towards the hinges and press the button, then it would be something like a dust, or at least invisible. But when you apply it, it's a normal liquid, pretty thin liquid, really running down like normal WD-40 oil. The difference is just after a couple of seconds, the liquid will evaporate and stop flowing. So it has maybe 10-20 seconds or so, depends of course on how much you apply. So you can point it towards the top of the hinge, and then it will flow down into the different sections, and after 10 or 20 seconds everything will be completely dry, nothing to see. You don't have to be worried that it's dripping down like with the normal WD-40. That's absolutely amazing. By the way, I'm planning to use that for my 3D printer, but of course there it's a little bit difficult to show because the rotating parts are a little bit hidden. So I wanted to show you that on a door hinge, and there it was working absolutely awesome. So it's a full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or want to share your own experience with this WD-40 dry lube, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.